Make money online free and fast. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. How you can make $5 every day free and fast. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into this opportunity here today, make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with making $5 every day. So if you're interested in building a real online business, make a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But this is a perfect opportunity to get started to make some extra money online while you build your real online business there. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the site that I'm going to share with you here today is adsrepay.com. adsrepay.com. And I discovered this actually through Beer Money Forum, so credit goes there. Here is the proof. You can see that they pay out $5 and it is actually from AdsRepay themselves. They are very active on this thread and the forum, which is a great forum, by the way, if you want to start to make some money online. So credit scores there, and it is a very nice site which has a few opportunities here. You can see here, earn money from home on the go at your own schedule, 1,000 plus opportunities. There is 400 plus surveys, 500 plus app installs, 100 plus offers and more. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see that there is more than just one way to make money with, and it is by watching videos. We have surveys, we have tasks, games and apps, we have clicks and web surfing, and free trials. And of course, ways to redeem them is via PayPal and Amazon gift card here. Now the features, it is free, of course, to make money with this opportunity here. It takes a few seconds to sign up. You get instant access to earning opportunities right away. It is a user-friendly and a powerful forum inside there also. And as I mentioned earlier, multiple streams of earning, which includes surveys, watching videos, installing apps, completing online tasks, playing games, and more ways, of course, of earning that are available here at AdsRepay. And of course, there is a help and support section there as well. So if we quickly see the About Us, it more or less tells us exactly what I mentioned earlier here. And they do have some big partners here. So if I go to the top here, actually, how it works, you can see here, step 1, click on any offer wall. Step 2, choose and complete tasks, and you earn points for completing tasks. So there is a demo here, so let's go have a look at it. This is how it looks inside the dashboard when you have signed up. So you can see here, if you just go to AdGate Rewards here, you can see that it is about surveys. And for 20 minutes you get 150 plus points here. There is another survey, so you can see that there is tons of surveys here that you can go to. Let's go back to the dashboard again. Let's see, Peanut Labs, the best way to get free points, and other surveys here. So you can have a look at this actually for yourself. It's no need for me to go here. I don't know what Polfish is actually, I haven't been through it. But as you can see, tons, there is Wanna ads, tons of opportunities actually to make money with here. Then we have the stats section, so you can see how much points you have earned, monthly, the referral. There is a referral program. Let's have a look at the activity first here. It shows the activity that you are involved in. And then we have the referrals. So you can actually make money by referring someone to the site here, and you will receive 5% of your referral earnings. And look at this, 2% of earnings of their referrals. So every time they make money, you will make actually 2% of that too. So that is a cool referral program actually that they have there. And here is the redeem section, so you can pick from PayPal, Amazon gift cards. They do pay out instantly, more or less, from what I saw actually at the Beer Money Forum there. We have the help center, you can see here, so you can there is actually 5 articles about getting started. Let's see here, how can you pay users to complete offers. Let's open this in a new tab here. So our partners pay us whenever you complete an offer, and we keep a small commission from each transaction. This is how we can afford to send free rewards to our offers. So they explain everything in detail here, and as I said, they are active also in the Beer Money Forum, so definitely a legit company and worth to sign up for. Alright, there is some promo codes. I'm not going to bore you actually with reading everything through the help center here. You can have a look at it for yourself. Just go to adsrepay.com before you sign up. It's always a good idea to have a closer look at the details there. And also have a look at the demo, of course, so you can see how it works. So as I said in the beginning, this is not something that you will be rich on. If you're interested in making a real online business, building a real online business, make a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here out of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.